Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Think India. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I post videos on Indian culture, crafts and cuisine in German and English. So, in our Valentine's Day series, our third recipe is something special. A menu without a dessert is incomplete. But at the same time, on a special day like Valentine's Day, I don't want you to stay for a long time in the kitchen. So I'm going to share a special and easy dessert which is Rabdi Parfait. Traditionally, in Rabdi making process, the milk is condensed on low heat and it takes quite a long time. But in Think India Kitchen, you get simplified versions of traditional recipes. So let's go ahead and make Rabdi Parfait. So no doubt you're going to impress your loved one on this special day. Let's get started.
Now to make the parfait, we need some digestive biscuits and butter. Place the biscuits in a plastic bag and just crush them. You can use any cookies of your choice. Add the butter, mix well and keep it aside. Now let's make the rabdi. For that, take a heavy bottom non-stick pan. Place the evaporated milk and ricotta cheese. Now you can substitute unsweetened condensed milk with normal milk and the ricotta cheese with some crumbled paneer. Only thing is, the cooking process will be a bit longer than this one. Now stir everything until smooth and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure you continuously stir it and maintain the heat from low to medium. Now meanwhile, crush saffron and cardamom to release the flavors and add it. Let it slowly come to a boil. Make sure the heat is always low to medium. Keep stirring and make sure you scrape the sides as well. After 4 to 5 minutes, it comes to a boil. Now you can add the sweetened condensed milk. Mix well and cook it further for a couple of minutes. Now add in the almond flour. You can easily make it at home, just blend in almonds in a mixer jar, or you can also use some crumbled paneer. Since it's an instant one, the almond flour helps to bind the rabdi. Just cook for 2 to 3 minutes after adding the flour. The consistency looks thin, but don't worry, it gets thickened once it's cooled down. Now bring it to room temperature, or you can also put it in the refrigerator. It's been 2 hours and the rabdi is completely cooled down. Now in a serving bowl, start layering. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the crushed biscuits, then a layer of rabdi, and just repeat it. Now without this process, you can just eat the rabdi as it is. I just wanted to make some fusion version, so I'm doing this. And finally, top it up with some edible silver leaf, which is completely optional. Few almonds, pistachios and some edible rose petals. It tastes absolutely delicious. Though it's an instant version, believe me, it tastes heavenly. You must try this recipe.
And how easy was that? It's a time-saving recipe. Make it on your Valentine's Day and I'm sure you're going to get that extra love from your loved one. If you like the recipe, please like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. That's all for today and thanks for watching. Until next time, Namaste.